access clock settings, press the menu button, touch Settings, then Clock. Touch On-Screen Clock to toggle the display of the clock on the screen, on or off. Touch Clock Mode to toggle the clock mode between Auto, Time Zone, or Manual. Set the clock mode to Auto to have the vehicle automatically set and adjust the time. To set the clock to a specific time zone, change the clock mode to Time Zone. Then select the time zone of your choice. You can also turn Daylight Savings Time on or off. To manually set the time of the clock, toggle the clock mode to Manual. Then touch Set Clock manually to enter a time and date. Touch Clock Format to toggle between 12 and 24-hour format. Touch Date Format to adjust the date format of the clock. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.